Oh. How's it going, YouTube? This is JC from King of the Coop. I'm here. I'm working on the tending my ground, but I had a chain stuck to my tiller. You can't see it much, but I'll show you later on. But today is not the occasion to talk about that. I got here from work and usually I feed my chickens, close them up and everything. And it's a sad day. It's a sad day because two of my chickens are dead. Let me see, get some light here. Two of my chickens are dead, guys, and probably the heat got them. 104 today, Friday, and we're expecting 106 Saturday and Sunday. Usually I always feed them at night. Got a little bit of corn here. I'll show you my chickens later. And I got also laying pellets. I don't know. I think it's the cause of the heat. They were not able to stand it, or probably. You see them right there, my chickens? Okay, maybe they were on the ground and then the chickens jumped down and they probably jumped on top of the other ones. Maybe, I don't know. It could happen, but it could be the feed also. Probably the laying pellets, because I only had laying pellets in there. Now I'm gonna feed them corn. I'm not gonna give them laying pellets until I buy new one. But come in, I close it. And it couldn't have been an animal. There's no way an animal could have got him. Let me show you the chickens. Oh man. One of them died earlier today, this afternoon, because I still had some. I got 7 eggs in there. Let me air this down a little bit. There you go. I still had 7 eggs, and there's 8 chickens. So one of them died earlier this afternoon, and the other one probably earlier in the daytime. But here they are. I didn't find them here. I found them inside the chicken coop. So they had to die because of the heat. Sad day. I gotta dispose of them in a little while. So this is my vlog today. This is the first time I do this, and but gotta look up into the next day. All right, still got 6 more chickens and a rooster, and my YouTube channel keeps going on. And let me show you. You can't see it right now, but I'm tilling over there. There's my tiller, and I cannot show you my watermelon seeds. Well, plants already. They've been doing pretty good. I don't have a light here, but I'll do another vlog later on. But so far, this is what's happening here in my, little King of the Coop yard. Heat 104. We're expecting Saturday, Sunday 106. So, man, this type of weather in my area is kind of weird. That's why I'm working right now in my yard outside, because there's no way, no how I'm gonna do it in the daytime when the heat. So, okay, guys, see you later, and see you next time. I get a hammer before I cut myself. Let me see. Let me get a hammer. It's kind of stuck in there. There you go, we got it. Yeah, gotta give thanks to Thor.